Imagine a future where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a potential threat. A future where AI understands your emotions, interacts with you as seamlessly as a human companion, and even generates creative content on par with human artists. Could GPT-5, the next generation technology from OpenAI, be the linchpin that brings us closer to this dystopian reality? Join us as we delve into the world of AI, exploring the 6 transformative abilities of the upcoming GPT-5 in ascending order of their potential impact. Starting with the first, GPT-5 is expected to have an improved accuracy. This means it will be better at understanding and responding to user inputs, making conversations more natural and less frustrating. Secondly, it promises to reduce hallucination. This term refers to the AI's tendency to generate content that sounds plausible but is completely fabricated. By reducing this tendency, GPT-5 will provide more reliable and trustworthy responses. The third ability is enhanced compute efficiency. This is a crucial improvement because high inference time and operational costs have been significant drawbacks of previous models. GPT-5 aims to be more efficient, making it more accessible and affordable. Moving to the fourth ability, GPT-5 might become a truly multimodal AI model. This means it could understand and generate not just text, but also images, audio, and other forms of data, thereby expanding its utility in numerous domains. Fifthly, GPT-5 is speculated to offer long-term memory support. Unlike earlier models, it may be able to remember and reference past interactions, providing a more consistent and personalized user experience. Finally, the most transformative ability, GPT-5 could potentially have a larger context length. This means it could understand and respond to more complex and lengthy interactions, making it capable of handling sophisticated tasks and conversations. In conclusion, the potential of GPT-5 is vast, thanks to its improved accuracy, reduced hallucination, enhanced compute efficiency, potential multimodality, long-term memory support, and larger context length. These characteristics are not simply improvements, they represent a significant leap forward in AI technology. Looking forward, we can envision a world where AI transitions from being just a tool to becoming a companion, a collaborator, and perhaps even a creator. Indeed, with GPT-5, we stand on the precipice of such a transformative era,